Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Metal Detector app and granting sensors and location access so the app reads magnetometer data. Hold the phone flat and away from keys or watches while the app calibrates. This removes local interference. Once calibration completes, enable audio tones and haptic feedback and select medium sensitivity. This gives a reliable baseline. You want a stable readout before moving. That way the app shows true environmental magnetic variations instead of noise from your gear. You now start sweeping technique. Walk slowly in straight lines with the phone parallel to the ground, scanning each swath methodically. When the app beeps or the needle jumps, pause and make small S-shaped passes to localize the source. If your environment is noisy with many metal objects, lower sensitivity. In open areas, increase it for weaker signals. Use the app's visual graph and the max hold feature to mark hotspots, so you can return and dig deeper once you've covered the grid. You finish by confirming any target with multi-angle passes. Approach from different directions and watch for consistent peaks before digging. Use a non-magnetic probe or plastic trowel for shallow checks to avoid altering the signal. If readings drift or fluctuate unpredictably, recalibrate and move away from vehicles or power lines. Make sure Bluetooth or external devices aren't interfering, and try airplane mode. If the sensor still misbehaves, close and reopen the app or reboot the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.